Pieter Bruegel, also Bruegel or Bruegel the Younger, was born between 23 May and October 10, 1564, died between March and May 1638. He was a Flemish painter, known for numerous copies after his father Pieter Bruegel the Elder's work as well as his original compositions. The large output of his studio, which produced for the local and export market, contributed to the international spread of his father's imagery. Traditionally, Pieter Bruegel the Younger has been nicknamed helse Bruegel or helle Bruegel, because it was believed he was the author of several paintings with fantastic depictions of fire and grotesque imagery. These paintings have now been attributed to his brother Jan Brueghel the Elder. Pieter Bruegel the Younger painted landscapes, religious subjects, proverbs and village scenes. A few flower still life paintings by Pieter have been recorded. His genre paintings of peasants emphasize the picturesque, and are regarded by some as lacking Pieter the Elder's subtlety and humanism.